Hello, I saw your email question. You want to find values for this table. So you're given y equal negative 1/3 x plus 3. You're given this equation. You're told x is negative 3. Your job is to find y. So here's the equation, and I'm substituting in negative 3 for x. And now I want to do the arithmetic here, and I think from your email you're just having a little trouble with this part here. Well, first thing I know, a negative times a negative would be a positive, and so this would be, negative times a, so the product of two negatives here, whoops, product of two negatives would be a positive. I went ahead and put this 3 over 1, so 1/3 of 3, or 1/3 of 3, is going to be 1, or you could multiply the numerators, and that would be 3, multiply the denominators, that would also be 3. So you could call this 3 over 3 plus 3, which is 1 plus 3, which is 4. So a couple ways you could think about this, but I guess maybe the best way is to put that over 1 and multiply the numerators and the denominators, and then simplify that to 1. Hope this helps.